Today we're gonna talk about what we call improvement kata. We learned about this tool probably 10 or 11 years ago. It is based on Mike Rother's book, which includes coaching kata and improvement kata. We've been successful for the last 9 years in using it for our strategy deployment projects. And it's really easy tool to use, and my experience with it is really good because it keeps everything in one place, and it also allows this scientific thinking to be translated into the project improvement by segments. So it's not, the changes that we are making are not large changes, but small enough to show us if we are deviating from the plan or if we are making improvement or not.
Okay, so just a little overview, a little background on the project that we're working on now. The Pick the Ship team, they are focused on quality issues, and the team has identified their top 4 breakables in that they have quality issues for over the last 6 months. So the team, we're running 2-month cycles, and these first 2 months, March and April, we are focused on breakables in our area.
What is the focus process?
Quality. We're focused on our quality.
And then what is our challenge?
Our challenge is that we are focusing on breakage, so highly breakage items. So tonight we will decrease all customer returns for our top 3 quality issues by 30% from a 6-month average of 27 to 18, while reducing our total cost of quality returns by 25%. This time we are focusing on breakable items, highly breakable items. We are like 4 of them, and then we just doing packaging in different ways, so that way we control the high breakage.
What is our target condition?
The target condition, we will create an action plan and single point lesson for the top 4 breakables by April 1st, 2022.
What is our actual condition now?
Actual conditions, we have a past 6 months, we have 40 returns, breakage returns, incorrect packaging, no single license points is those breakages. According for like 75% of those, all this breakage we return them. So those are the top most we get the returns for the incorrect packaging.
Okay. And they account for 75% of the breakage, those items?
Yeah, all those items.
So what was our last step?
The last step that we took, we started with the first breakable item, which is the Pamba Bay porcelain platter. And we started trying to refine a standard work, how to package. You know, we tried 3 different boxes and 2 different types of packaging materials.
Okay, so what happened?
Figured out the easiest way, the fastest way with less material to make it so it didn't break. And then we're going to create a single point lesson for that.
Okay, and what did we learn?
That we always check the glass before we overpack it to make
Perfect.
sure we don't ship it on the way.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's talk about our obstacles. Since last time, have we added or removed any of the obstacles?
We did. So we removed the first one because not everyone followed the standard. We figured out the top 4 breakage, and now we're working on creating an SPL on each part number.
Very good, very good. So the next one you're going to be focusing on is the single point lesson.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, so what is our next step?
Our next step
I get to keep you for the whole exercise.
The next step is to create the single point lesson for MM 128-2069.
Okay. And then what do we expect to achieve?
to came up a standard for team to follow.
Okay, very good. And then when are we gonna meet next time?
Next Thursday.
Very good. Sounds good. Thank you.